After many requests and inquiries from anglers on how to wrap up effectively at a determined distance, I decided to do a comprehensive video for you to give you a step-by-step guide as to how I measure out, how I stand, my positioning on the peg, and obviously how I wrap up, and then obviously also how I retrieve the line. So without further ado, I'm going to give you that step-by-step guide quickly, and let's start off with the distance sticks. I only use the quarter distance sticks. They are super smooth and really effective to wrap up. So I wrap up at 12-foot intervals, which is 3.66 meters. So it's easy to calculate the amount of meters versus the wraps. And I use my rod as my guide. So I know exactly 12-foot rod lengths equals a certain distance. So let's quickly start.
Start off by placing your rod on the ground and position your distance sticks perfectly upright at either end. Position your body at 45 degrees and around 1 to 2 foot away from the center line. It is important to be consistent. So remember to place your lead system, marker float system or SPOM either on the right hand side of the distance sticks or on the left hand side. While wrapping up, maintain the 45-degree angle as it ensures that you only use a left to right pivot motion when wrapping. Always keep an open bail arm on the reel and feather the line through your thumb and forefinger to avoid tangles. Notice how far the rod tip passes the distance sticks. The horizontal action ensures that you do not hit the rod tip against the distance sticks, and as I hardly use any arm action and only pivot my body, I consume much less energy, and the more you practice this action, the faster you will become at wrapping at any distance. Always try and ensure you have the wind from behind when wrapping up and reeling in your wraps, as this will prevent your main line from wrapping up around the tip. When winding in the line, due to the 12-foot or 3.66 meter distance between the sticks, I can keep my rod 100% vertical when reeling in the line after clipping up. Practice makes perfect. See you on the bank soon.